Hey coaches, welcome to my high quality live feed video for you here. So the message here is going to be very important. And that is, this is something that happens semi-regularly, I would say, and maybe more regular as I get better at this. But a friend of mine, she just lost her job for various reasons. It happens. A lot of people lose their job and it's of no fault of their own. Sometimes people do something stupid and they get fired. But no matter how secure somebody thinks their job is, I mean, I had somebody, I remember there was a post office worker, I thought their job was so secure and things happen. And this particular person, there was another company that bought her company. So it was a merger and acquisition, decided they didn't need her anymore. It didn't matter that she was a great worker, got frequent merit increases, and so on. Her job wasn't as secure as she thought. And when that happened, she came to me. And here's why. Because I'm consistently present on social media. I'm consistently present and I'm relevant on social media. I do the things that I teach and that all the top leaders teach about how we should share our story and other things about ourselves on our timeline so that we're consistently there in people's lives and we're on the forefront. And so when people become ready, because you never know, there's always like a trigger point when somebody becomes ready. Even the people that are most ardently against, I don't know, the whole entrepreneurial thing, you never know when somebody's going to have an experience in their life where suddenly they become ready. And when that happens for these people, you want to be the one that is the logical go-to person. And a lot of my trainings, if you do the daily profit producing activities, then odds are favorable for a lot of people in your life that know you in some way, shape, or form on some level, that you're going to be the go-to person when whatever happens, whether it's something that happened with their job or something happened where, fitness-wise, maybe they don't fit into their clothes anymore. They put a favorite outfit on that they used to be able to wear, but they can't anymore. So if you do the things as we teach you, then you're going to be positioned as the credible, trustworthy person that can help them, and they're going to go to you. And this happens regularly. It's a beautiful thing. Just have to be consistent and never give up, and you just never know who's going to be ready when. You just never know. Most of the time people are not ready when you invite them, especially the first time that you invite them. Very few people will come on board when you first invite them. It's usually most of the people that enroll are people that have been exposed to it at least once or twice, and they see your presence on Facebook and they see that you're rock solid and you're the kind of person that they believe could help them in some way. So that's why it's important. It boils down to just being consistent faithfully with the daily profit producing activities that we teach, okay? Just wanted to share that with you. And I got tons more social media training on my TomBurkenmeyer.com website, TomBurkenmeyer.com. Take care, coaches. Mwah.